Okay, now I asked the teacher to go to the restroom, and now I'm gonna do something. I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, I need to get out of here quick. Did you see there was fire drills? What's so loud, boy? So loud. I need to get out quick. There's a barking because there's attention students, teachers and staff, and attention students, teachers and staff. Anyway, this is a mistake. There's no fire in the whole building. Somebody just pulled the fire alarm. You may go back in your classrooms now. Thank you.
The coconut nut is a giant nut. It's sweet to nut. You get very fat. Now the coconut nut is a big nut. But this delicious nut is not a nut.
Bro,
see a
I
light.
told you she sees a light.
Over there.
You
Hey,
understand
Conscience,
me?
am I dead?
No, she's leaving with Chucky. Okay, bye. Wow, that's the best prank ever. Woo! Gary Anderson, please come in my office. We have a problem. Oh, I think I'm excluded. Is there something wrong, Principal? First of all, I found a camera that you pulled a fire alarm. And that's not even allowed in school. And you know what? Now you're expelled. No. I'm sorry, please. No. I'm sorry. Wait. Now you're gonna be grounded at your house because you're expelled. Now get into your stinky house now.